This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants. First, combine your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, and yeast with water and a pinch of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This initial step is crucial for developing the gluten structure. After kneading, cover the dough and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This prepares it for the butter block. Now for the lamination, which creates those beautiful layers. You'll need a cold, firm butter block, about 1/4 the weight of your dough. Encase the butter completely within the dough. Then, roll it out and perform your first single fold, like folding a letter. Chill the dough for 30 minutes, then repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times. This meticulous layering is what gives croissants their signature flaky texture. After lamination, roll your dough to a final thickness of about 1/8 inch. Use a sharp knife or pastry wheel to cut the dough into long triangles, ensuring each base is approximately 3½ inches wide. Gently stretch each triangle, then roll it tightly from the base towards the tip to form the classic croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet and proof in a warm, humid environment for 2 to 3 hours until they are visibly puffy. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush your proofed croissants with an egg wash for a beautiful golden finish. Bake them for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are deeply golden brown and wonderfully puffed. Let them cool on a wire rack for a few minutes before enjoying your perfectly flaky, homemade croissants. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.